Hello students, welcome to the third part of the video. Here we are solving the exercise 2E from R.S. Aggarwal, grade 9 from the chapter Polynomial. In the last two videos I have solved the part 1 and the part 2, that is from first question to 22nd question of the exercise 2E. Today we are going to solve from 23 to 34, last few questions. So it's basically about the factorization and by grouping method. So as I told you in the last few videos that we always need to do what? We always need to keep the terms, those terms together so that we can take common and further we can factorize it. So the 23rd question is given, but I strongly recommend you to go to the first few part of the video so that it will be easy for you to understand how the uh, how the sums we are doing. Okay, anyway, so this is, so I can see if I take first two terms together and if I try to take common and then second two terms together and if I try to take something common, there the factorization cannot be completed. So what I can do, I can take 2x with minus 1 and 4y with minus 8xy. So 2x minus 1 plus 4y minus 8xy. So 2x minus 1, I can take 1 common from here, and from here I can take 4y common. So it will be 1 minus 2x. Okay, but still these two terms are different, 2x minus 1 and 1 minus 2x. So what I can do, from the last term I can take a minus common. As I told you in the as I explained you in the last video how to take the minus 1 common, I told you that be very careful while taking the minus 1 common, because most of the cases students used to do the mistake, because whenever you are taking the minus common, so you have to change the sign inside the bracket. So minus 2x will become plus 2x and plus 1 will become minus 1. Now simply we can take 2x minus 1 common and we'll be left with 1 minus 4y. So that will be the answer for the 23rd one. Let's do the 24th one. AB into x square plus y square minus xy into a square plus b square. Interesting question. AB into x square plus y square minus xy into a square plus b square. Okay, so I can say in this position we can't take anything common, right? So we have to go for the multiplication, then rearrange the terms. So what I can do, I will be doing abx square plus aby square minus xya square minus xyb square. Okay, and I have to organize the terms so that we can take common. So I'm going to do this one with this one and this one with this one. So abx square minus xya square plus aby square minus xyb square. So what I can take common, ax, I will left with bx minus ay. And from here I can take by common, I will be left with by. If I take common, I will be left with ay minus bx. Okay, again like the last question, we have to take a negative minus common from this last term. So ax bx minus ay minus by bx minus ay. Now I can take common bx minus ay, ax minus by. So this will be the answer for the 24th question. Let's do the 25th one. It's given a square plus ab times b plus 1, ab times b plus 1, and then b cube, then b cube. Okay, so we can see there are three terms, right? So most of the cases, if I have odd number of terms, it is quite difficult to do the factorization by grouping method. So what we have to do, we have to first multiply that AB with B minus 1, and then we can have the even number of terms. Using even number of terms, we can actually factorize, because this will allow me to pair the terms. Okay, from here if I take a common, I will be left with a minus b square, and from here if I take b common, I will be left with a minus b square. So it's possible. I'm taking a common, a plus b square, plus b common, a plus b square. So the answer will be a plus b square times a plus b. Let's do the 26th one. It's the same method again. It's given a cube plus ab times 1 minus 2a minus 2b square. So we have to go for multiplication. ab minus 2a square, b minus 2b square. I can take a common, it will give you a square plus b. I can take 2b common, it will give you a square minus b. Sorry, a square plus b. Because as I have taken minus 2 common, each term should change its sign. So a square plus b into a minus 2b. That's the answer for the 26th one. Now let's do the 27th one. Hopefully I should not get out of the papers. So a square plus bc minus 2ab a square plus bc minus 2ab minus ac. Okay. Okay, so let's do the question. mm, from the first two term we can take anything common, and from the second, so this 2a square and 2b square should be kept together. So 2a square minus 2ab plus bc minus ac. I can take 2a common, so I'll be left with a minus b. I can take c common. Okay, directly I'm gonna take minus c common, right? So if I take minus c common, I'll be left with a minus b. Okay, so a minus b, 2a minus c. 28 ax plus by whole square plus bx minus ay whole square. It's given ax plus by whole square plus bx minus ay whole square. Okay, first of all we can see that in this position it's impossible to go for the factorization, so we have to do the square formula. So a square x square plus b square y square plus 2 abxy plus b square x square plus a square y square minus 2 abxy. This one get cancelled. Now if I take try to organize the terms, plus b square x square plus b square y square, and if I take a square common, I will be left with x square plus y square. If I take b square common, I will be left with x square plus y square. So that means x square plus y square equal into a square plus b square. So that will be the factorization of the 28th question. The formula those I have used here is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and the other one I have used a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So these are the formulas those I have used in the question. Next comes the 29th question, I believe. It's a into a plus b minus c minus bc. That gives you a square plus ab minus ac minus bc. From the first two terms, if you take a common, you will be left with a plus b, and then if you take c common, you will be left with a plus b. So that means a plus b times a minus c will be the answer. After 29th one, it's the 30th one. The 30th question says a into a minus 2b minus c plus 2bc. So again we have to go for the multiplication. A square minus 2ab minus ac plus 2bc. So this 2ab and 2bc should be kept together. So a square minus ac plus bc. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna write like this way. So a take a minus c, and if I take 2b common, it will be c minus a. So I have to just change the sign in order to get a similar term to be a minus c. And I can take a minus c common. I will be left with a minus 2b. Okay, that's the 30th question. Let's go for the 31st one. The 31st one is a square x square plus ax square plus 1 times x plus a. So again we should go for the total multiplication. No, I don't think we should go for total multiplication, because if I can do this and this together. So a square x square plus a plus ax square plus 1 times x, and I can take a common, ax plus 1, and already there is x outside, so x square plus 1. So in this question, sorry, ax square plus 1 times a plus x. That's the 31st one. 32nd one says ab into x square plus 1, ab times x square plus 1 plus x times a square plus b square. So abx square plus ab plus a square x plus b square x. Okay, from the first two term, uh, okay, what are the terms we should keep together? Now that question should arise. So bx plus a. Okay, abx square plus a square x. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna write like that. So I can take ax common, so I'll be left with bx plus a, and then I can take b common, I'll be left with bx plus a, and then I can choose bx plus a as a common term, so I'll be left with ax plus b. The last question, sorry, last, not the last one, 34 questions are there. The 33rd question is given a square plus a plus b times x plus ab, and I should go for that's the kind of middle term given. So the second step of the middle term given, okay, a it should be x minus a, and I have to change the sign, otherwise it cannot be done. So a into a minus x plus b into a minus x, so that gives you a minus x a plus b minus bx minus ax plus ab, and yeah, that's the correct answer. Okay, now we have the 34th question. 34th question is, as we know, always the last question should be a little bit tricky, so we're gonna try something different. We have to try something different to get that answer. Okay, so we have to remove the squares, so I will be applying the formula a square plus b square here. The negative formula, it has two formulas, but I need the negative one here only, which will be a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So not sure. Okay, that's minus 2 given. My mistake, I have taken the question wrong. So that's given minus 2. Okay, so for this much I am gonna apply this formula. So it is x minus 1 by x the whole square plus 2 into x into 1 by x minus 2, and from the last two terms I can take minus 3 common. It will be x minus 1 by x. So we are left with x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2 minus 2 minus 3 into x minus 1 by x. 2 get cancelled, so I can take x minus 1 by x common. I will be left with x minus 1 by x minus 3. So that will be the answer for the 34th question. So students, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos. If you have any doubt with the any one of the questions that I have solved in the three parts, you can always ping that to me in the comment section. Or if you have any other suggestion, any other video need to be uploaded, you can also do that in the comment section. I will be happy to help you. And also, if you want any private one-to-one session with me, you can still ask me for that in the comment section. I also provide live one-to-one session, and I'm also planning to launch a website for you guys so that you can get the contents a much more organized way, and from there also you'll be able to book any one-to-one session with me. uh, Even I also thinking for the one to few session. But if you want any doubt clearing, for now, if you want any doubt clearing session with me through a video call and the whiteboard, I will be happy to help you. You can ping me that into the comment section. Thank you for watching. Thanks. Stay tuned for the next video, for the next part. Thank you. Bye.